Hello guys, so I just wanted to do a short video of how finally to pack all of these little mini Christmas gifts in a one little nice present. So one of these things are you can get a little box, okay, or you can just put all of these together in a one kind of bag. So I have a box here, there is a little silk paper here. I put a little few of these like from Thistle, yeah, and now it's very simple. So the bag bombs I just packed, as you see, in a see-through like a plastic, this paper, a little like a ball here, yeah, just place it anywhere literally. Then a bath salts, putting into your little box here. Yeah, of course the soap, it's done with a cling film, okay, and it's written here that is a soap here. Then of course lip balm is a lip balm, just placing a little like this, a little of the roller perfume bottle here. As well, the shower melts, each of these little, so I have 3 little hearts in placed into the cling film, and then I just put in a little nice, as you see, like a little bag with the snowflakes, very Christmassy. The same I did with the body lotions, each of them are individually wrapped with the cling film, okay, and placed in a little bag here. And now that's all our 7 little mini gifts here. And now, of course, it's all up to you. I have in here a little candle, Christmas candle, as you see. This is Santa in here. You can use any other little candle if you wish to. And a few little, like beer and a snowman. This is little chocolates, you know. So that's it. And that's your Christmas mini gift box in here, okay? That's it. It's very simple. Placing everything together. And it's Merry Christmas to your friends or family, okay? I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I wish you a very merry happy Christmas, and I have another video coming out this Saturday, and we're gonna make a hand cream, winter hand cream, okay? So have a very merry Christmas, guys, and I see you next Saturday. Bye.